Hey everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watch Box channel. I bought this watch, the Casio MTP-1381L-9ADVF about a year ago for around $34, and I have to say it's been one of my better purchases. What caught my eye right away was its classic dressy design. It has that timeless elegance, clean, sophisticated, and perfect for formal or semi-formal occasions. The standout feature is the day display sitting right at the top, shaped like a semicircle, or should I say a horseshoe, giving it a unique touch. And at the 6 o'clock position, you get a neatly framed date window, making it both stylish and practical. But what really makes this watch pop is the dial. Casio didn't just settle for a basic look. They went the extra mile with a combination of gold and rose gold indices. It adds just the right amount of class without looking too flashy. The mix of colors plays beautifully under different lighting, making it feel more premium than its actual price suggests. And to complete the elegant look, it comes with a genuine leather band in a yellowish tone that perfectly matches the rose gold indices. It's a subtle but thoughtful touch that makes the whole watch feel more refined. This is easily one of my favorite dress watches, and I've tried my best to keep it in pristine condition. But well, a year of wear does leave its marks. There are some minor scratches here and there. Not too bad, but enough to remind me that I actually wear and enjoy this watch, not just keep it in a display case. For something under $50, the MTP-1381 offers a lot. You get a classic look, a reliable quartz movement, and a day-date complication that you usually find on pricier models. It's perfect for anyone who wants an affordable yet stylish timepiece. Whether you need something for work, a night out, or just want to class up your wrist without breaking the bank, this one does the job. And let's be honest, finding a good dress watch with this much charm at this price, that's a win. Let's dive into the review. First stop, the case dimensions. Case size, 39.9 millimeters. Lug-to-lug distance, about 46.6 millimeters. Thickness, around 8.9 millimeters. Lug width, 20 millimeters. Weight, approximately 52 grams. This case size is quite versatile. At just under 40 millimeters, it strikes a nice balance. Big enough for presents, but not too large for smaller wrists. Even on my 6.5-inch wrist, it wears comfortably without looking oversized. The slim 8.9 millimeters thickness also makes it slide effortlessly under a cuff, making it a great option for both casual and formal wear. The case and bezel are ion-plated, which helps with durability and gives it a sleek, polished look. The glass is mineral crystal, not sapphire, but at this price point, that's expected. A stainless steel case would be nice, but hey, for the price, we can't complain. The medium-sized crown isn't signed, but gets some extra protection with crown guards, something you'd typically see on a dive watch. It's a small detail, but a welcome one, as it helps prevent accidental bumps or snags. Now let's talk about this gold dial, because it's got some personality. It's divided into two sections. The outer dial is a smooth, plain gold color. The inner dial has a textured pattern with fine lines radiating outward from the center, adding a bit of depth and sophistication. And here's the cool part. The dial gives off a subtle sunburst effect when exposed to light, making it look more premium than the price tag suggests. On top of the dial, we've got tiny 4-line markers mixed with numbers from 05 to 60 for added detail. Below that are the hour markers in rose gold, with double bars at 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock. The 12 o'clock markers are slightly shorter to make room for the day window. The day window, shaped like a horseshoe, is neatly framed in gold, sitting right above the Casio logo, which stands out proudly. The hour and minute hands are sword-shaped, finished in rose gold with Lume in the middle, so you get some nighttime visibility, though don't expect dive watch levels of brightness. The needle-like second hand, also in rose gold, adds to the sleek aesthetic. Just below the hands, you'll find the WR50M imprint, meaning this watch has 50 meters of water resistance. Now, 50 meters doesn't mean you could go diving, but it's good enough for daily splashes, hand washing, or even light swimming. Just don't go deep sea exploring with it. Further down, the date window sits neatly framed in gold, completing the dial's symmetrical look. And finally, at the very bottom, we see the Japan movement imprint, reassuring us that this watch has reliable quartz movement inside. Now, let's move on to the strap and case back. The strap? Honestly, it's pretty amazing. The yellowish tone complements the rose gold indices beautifully, making the whole watch look more refined. It's a small detail, but it really ties the design together. Casio didn't just slap on a plain leather strap. They went the extra mile and gave it a crocodile skin texture. This adds a touch of elegance, making it look a lot more premium than its price suggests. And the stitching? Impeccably done, neat, precise, and professional. It doesn't look cheap, and that's always a plus. On the underside of the strap, you'll notice it's black, which adds a nice contrast. And right there, stamped into the leather, is the genuine leather imprint, just in case you need a little reassurance that yes, this is indeed real leather. The buckle is stainless steel, which is great for durability. But one thing missing? No Casio logo. It's a small detail, but it would have been nice to see that extra branding touch. Would it change the watch's performance? Not at all. But would it make us Casio fans feel a little more special? Absolutely. Moving on to the case back. Here we get stainless steel, which is always good to see. And of course, Casio has included all the usual details. The Casio logo, the module and model number, so you know exactly what you have. The water resistance rating of 5 bar, 50 meters. Not for deep diving, but safe for daily splashes and even a casual swim. And some other manufacturing details for good measure. The case back is snap-on, which is expected for this type of watch. It keeps everything secure while allowing for easy battery changes when the time comes. Overall, while the strap and case back might not be groundbreaking, they get the job done well. The strap is stylish, comfortable, and suits the watch's aesthetic perfectly, while the stainless steel case back adds durability and a sense of reliability. For a watch at this price, it's a solid setup. Next, let's talk about the Lume and wrist check. The Lume? Well, it's not exactly a torch, but it gets the job done, at least in complete darkness. The glow is clear and visible. But here's the catch. Only the hour and minute hands are lumed. No lume on the indices. What does that mean? Well, if you're in the dark and don't have expert-level watch reading skills, it might take you a second or two to figure out the time. Would it be better if the indices had lume? Absolutely. But adding that would also bump up the price, so Casio had to make a trade-off here. At 39.9 millimeters, the case size is just right. Not too big, not too small. Even on my 6.5-inch wrist, it sits perfectly without looking oversized. The lug-to-lug distance of 46.6 millimeters makes it, we're even better, hugging the wrist nicely. And because it's only 8.9 millimeters thick, it slips under a cuff easily, making it a great option for both casual and dressy occasions. Why is this watch a must-buy? Now let's talk about value for money. This watch is under $50, yet it packs in some impressive features. Elegant design with a mix of gold and rose gold accents. Genuine leather strap with a crocodile pattern. 50 meters of water resistance. Safe for everyday use. A stylish dial with a sunburst effect. A day and date function, which is rare in this price range. Lightweight and comfortable for daily wear. For this price, it's hard to find another watch that offers this much style and functionality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly dress watch or just want a solid everyday timepiece, this is a fantastic pick. The Casio MTP-1381L-9ADVF might not be a luxury watch, but it sure punches above its weight. It's got a classic design, useful features, and solid build quality, all at an unbeatable price. If you're looking for an affordable, stylish, and reliable watch, this one is definitely worth considering. And that's a wrap. What do you think of the MTP-1381? Would you add it to your collection? Let me know in the comments. I think that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It really helps out the channel. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.